We love Hakka
and I Hakka.
We love Hakka。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello, 大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And this month we're teaching you late, 迟到。
慢到。
慢到. And in which situation we should not be late? Well, pretty much every situation. But how about catching a train or a plane, right? 其实不管什么状况都不应该迟到，但尤其是要搭车子啦，比如说高铁啦，火车啦，飞机啦，对不对？因为这真的不等你的啦。
对。
Okay, so let's hear a conversation about that, taking transportation.
我扶唔出嚟啦。
總算要扶到高鐵，好彩冇慢到。
下禮拜較早地會出門，就唔是按樣緊冰冰嘅。
So let's break down these sentences one by one. The first line, 快快會來不及了啦。Okay, hurry up, we're not gonna make it.
會扶唔出嚟啦。
會扶唔出嚟啦。Okay, 會扶唔出嚟啦，就是會
來不及了啦。
We're not gonna make it in time. Hurry, Okay, hurry up. All right, 終於有趕上高鐵，幸好沒有遲到，所以呢，馬上已經趕上了，對不對？ All right, we made it to our high-speed rail. I'm glad we're not late.
總算要扶到高鐵，好彩冇慢到。
好彩 means fortunately 還好，幸好。Okay, we're not late. And 終於有趕上高鐵，終於就是總算。Okay, that means finally we made it to the high-speed rail 高鐵。Okay, that is a high-speed rail. 那下一次早點出門就不用這樣匆匆忙忙。Let's get to that final line about how it's better not to rush. Okay, let's leave earlier next time.
下禮拜較早地會出門，就唔是按樣緊冰冰嘅。
That means to rush, all right? But you're not supposed to rush. 就是不要這麼匆匆忙忙。
唔是按樣緊冰冰嘅。
Very good. Let's review some of these phrases which may come handy to you, such as not gonna make it, 來不及，
扶唔出嚟，
and then the high-speed rail, 高鐵， and then 匆匆忙忙, that means to rush.
緊冰冰嘅。
Okay? Be careful if you're rushing though. And let's go ahead and hear this conversation again.
我扶唔出嚟啦。
總算要扶到高鐵，好彩冇慢到。
下禮拜較早地會出門，就唔是按樣緊冰冰嘅。
And this month we're teaching you the phrase 遲到，
慢到，
which means late. And there you have it, another round of Practical Hakka.
是冇太假。
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.